Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang weekly reading nyo, April 6 to 12, 2026. General reading, so pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services, no? So, ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So, kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, Gemini. Gemini. April 6 to 12 for Gemini. Invention. Uy, meron kayong creative na project this week. Pwedeng simpleng project lang to, pwedeng sa trabaho mo to, or personal project. Okay? So, may maiimbento ka. Or meron kang system na gagawin, sistema para sa ikakadali ng proseso ng trabaho mo or ng routine mo. Synchronicity. This is about alignment. Gemini, meron talaga kayong gagawin this week wherein you will realize na talagang meant to be or meant to happen. Kasi some of you will see yung mga synchronicities like mga repeating numbers. Tapos ito yung mararamdaman mo na nag-align talaga sa'yo kasi walang kumukontra. Like, it's free flowing. You're going with the flow para dito sa mga plano mo or mga gusto mo gawin, ma-achieve this week. You have the Nine of Pentacles. This is stability ng iyong finances. This is also about investment. So, pwedeng mag-invest ka this week or meron kang sistema na gagawin para mas makapag-ipon ka ng pera. Focus on your finances. You have the Seven of Wands. This is you protecting your energies. You are protecting your peace. You are setting boundaries. Hindi mo na hinahayaan na ikaw ay i-take advantage ng ibang tao. Some of you, meron kayong iwasan na person from the past. This can be someone na naging may parang pinapakailamanan yung buhay mo. This can be your friend, family member, or a partner, or ex, no? Kumbaga, you will do what you want. Hindi mo na hayaan ikaw ay pakialaman na ng iba. You also have the Strength card. This is your courage, your strength, your abilities. May paninindigan. Knight of Pentacles. So, pagdating sa pera, finances, trabaho, very much focus ka doon sa goal mo. Doon sa gusto mong maging resulta ng trabaho, business mo, or kung ano man itong pinupurso mo sa buhay. You have the Hanged Man and the Page of Wands. Pwedeng meron kang plano na hindi mo muna gagawin. Isasantabi mo muna. Dahil pwedeng nagbago yung isip mo. Yung bang hindi ka na sigurado. This can be buying your own car or buying something or trying something or connecting with someone na somehow magkakaroon ng para matatauhan ka, ganun. Take care or there will be a loss of material wealth. Maging maingat sa pag-handle ng finances. So, pwedeng ito yung iiwasan mo na may nag-offer ng opportunity for business or investment. Nung una, okay sa'yo yon pero nagbago yung isip mo. Kasi may na-realize ka. Opportunity or windfall, ang ganda. So, maaring merong ibang opportunity na mas makakabuti para sa'yo. That's why meron ka nang iiwasan that is no longer aligned sa'yo. Waiting for news, package, or letter. So, maaring kung meron kang kailangang hintayin mo. Kung ito naman ay something na gusto mo talagang makuha, okay? So, whatever this is, it is going to come. Darating yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.